Hello friends, a warm welcome from Aussizz Group. Hope you all are doing well. I'm Malcolm, your PTE coach, and I'm so happy today friends that I have Ankita with me, one of my favorite students. So Ankita recently took the PTE academic test and she got a perfect score of 90. She got an overall score of 90. She's got 90 in speaking, 90 in listening, and 86 in reading and writing respectively. So Ankita, if you just give a brief introduction about yourself to our viewers please.
Hi, my name is Ankita, of course, and I've been living in Australia for the last 2.5 years, and for PTE I've been struggling for about a year now.
Alright.
And and it's because of Malcolm and Aussizz group that I was even able to score what I got today.
Thank you so much Ankita. And Ankita, since you've taken this test a couple of times before, so you were very unfortunate to miss your score by a point here or there, early attempts. But since you've got 90 this time, so what would be the one main advice which you'd like to give to the fellow test takers? What is the most important thing to get 90 or any good score basically?
So what I believe is every student has a particular problem and you need to identify what that is. Like what you see online and those videos are pretty much designed for everyone and it's very generic. In my case it was my speed. And I tried to be a perfectionist every time I wanted to use the best vocabulary, and because of that I completely couldn't get my score in speaking, and that made me take several attempts in PTE.
Alright, and could you share like which center did you take the test recently and how was the test experience overall?
So the center I took was in the main one in La Trobe Street, the Pearson's Professional Center. It was pretty good. It was more professional than any other centers. They took care of every single detail, and the atmosphere was quite friendly. Like I've taken a PTE exam back in Brisbane as well as here. I like it here better because it's not that noisy like the other centers.
Alright. And so you've already taken 1 week coaching with us. Like how was the coaching experience, if you could share with the viewers please?
It is very well designed, and it is systematic, so you kind of know, like for each task you know what the expectation is and what you're expected to do and how long you need to prepare on those aspects, which is very vital for anyone to like prepare for PTE. And when people say that you can just go right, get all A's, that is not a true thing. You really need to prepare, and it's not a very difficult exam.
Agreed, yeah.
But it just needs a very meticulous approach, and without that I don't think you could get that score.
Right, and since you talk about preparation, I'd also like your opinion, like you would have used your product PTEtutorials.com.
Yes.
So how did it help you for this process, if you could just share?
So with PTE tutorial you get to do that 3-hour straight test, so it gives you that exam environment, and that is really important because when you're just attempting one task at a time you can ace it at all attempts, but when you have that stress and that pressure going on, then you kind of know that this is what is the expectation in the exam, and you will be well prepared for that aspect here.
Great, thank you so much for the feedback. And finally, I'd like to ask you that since you already got your score, you'll be hopefully becoming an Australian PR very soon now.
Yes.
So would you like to recommend Aussizz to your friends and well-wishers, the coaching and Aussizz?
Of course, for everyone, and I've already been doing that.
Thank you so much, Ankita. Once again, many congratulations. Really happy for you. Friends, believe me or not, but Ankita has put in a lot of effort. It's not been easy, but finally she's got the score, and that's what's important. So if you have anything to do with PT, just go for one name, which is Aussizz, and hopefully you can get 90. As she said, PT is a very easy test. It's not difficult, believe me, to get 79. 65 is really easy. You just need the correct mindset and the right approach to the test, and hopefully you'll get your score in the first and after the coaching. So thank you once again, Ankita. Many congratulations.
Thank you so
thanks
much,
friends for being in the video with us. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.